Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to recopy your profile link on X, formerly Twitter, in 2025. If someone asks for your profile or you just want to link it in your bio, email, or anywhere online, this is the fastest and cleanest way to do it. Open the X app and go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look at the top right corner. Tap the share icon. It looks like an arrow pointing upward. A menu will pop up. Now tap Copy Link to Profile. Boom! Your link is copied to your clipboard. Now, you can paste it in your Instagram bio, email signature, group chat, job application, or wherever someone needs to check out your X page. If you want to do it manually instead, your link will always follow this format. Just replace your username with your actual handle, no @ symbol needed. If you ever change your username, your profile link updates with it. So double check the link if you've edited your profile recently. And that's it. Super simple and fast. Now you can share your X profile with anyone, anywhere in just a few taps.